Locate the gas locker on the outside of the vehicle. Put weight on the door due to the rubber seal, then using the habitation key, unlock the gas locker to access the gas bottle. The gas is turned on by rotating the brass valve on top of the bottle in an anti-clockwise direction. You can leave the gas on the whole time you are pitched. Rotate the valve in a clockwise direction to turn the gas off. Should the gas run out, you'll need to change over the bottle. Ensure the gas has been turned off. Undo the coupling, rotating in a clockwise direction. Install the new bottle by tightening the coupling in an anti-clockwise direction. Make sure the gas bottles have been securely strapped in after changing the bottles. You must always make sure that the gas has been turned off before driving the motorhome.